How to fix Lasko heater red light on but not working. I'm going to tell you how to fix your Lasko heater if the red light is on but there's no heat. Start by unplugging it for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the internal components. Then, plug it into a different outlet in another room to rule out power issues. If that doesn't work, check your thermostat settings and make sure it's set to heat. Also, inspect the vents for obstructions. Dust buildup can trigger the safety shutdown. Ensure the heater is on a flat, stable surface, as some models have a tip over safety switch. If the issue persists, the problem could be a tipped safety cutoff, a faulty heating element, or a thermostat malfunction. Some heaters have a reset button. Refer to the manual for instructions. If none of these solutions work, contact Lasko customer support, especially if your unit is still under warranty.